Hi mommies, welcome back to the Nocturnal Mommy. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and do a cook and clean with me. So on this particular night, we had Italian sausage tortellini. So I'm going to go ahead and just add the ingredients that need to be sauteed, which are the Italian sausages and some garlic, also some sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and just put it in one pan and have all the flavors cook together. While that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get my pot of boiling water going for the tortellini. And I just followed the instructions on the back of the package. And while all that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and dice up the other ingredients that I need to put into the food. So here I'm just using my veggie wash that I purchased from Whole Foods to go ahead and wash off the asparagus. And after I wash this off, I'm going to go ahead and just chop it up into little pieces. One of the things that I'm very consistent about is cleaning while I'm cooking. So right now I'm just putting away the things that I'm done using, and then I'm going to go ahead and start washing the dishes that aren't being used after I mix the food. Don't tell me I don't stand a chance. As luck would have it, our dishwasher was broken during this time, so I had to hand wash everything, which is no big deal because I'm used to hand washing dishes. That's what I was doing prior to using a dishwasher, so I'm very familiar to hand washing dishes, so this wasn't any trouble for me. So the sausage and tomatoes are done cooking, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to the pasta dish and just let it sit until it's ready to be transferred over to the tortellini. So while the sausage is set aside, I'm going to go ahead and use that same pan to saute my asparagus along with the garlic. I'm not using any measurements here, I'm just eyeballing everything. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt and let that cook up for a bit. So while the veggies are sauteing, I'm going to go ahead and add the tortellini to the boiling pot of water, and it doesn't take too long to cook, so that's why I saved this part for the last step. So while the food is still cooking, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the dishes and continue cleaning until the food is done. Now that the pasta is done, I'm going to go ahead and drain it and add in the rest of the ingredients so they all cook together. to bring all the flavors together, I'm going to go ahead and add some basil pesto, and I'm just eyeballing, not really measuring, and I'm going to go ahead and add some red pepper as well. Now that the food is all finished cooking, I'm going to go ahead and add that to my pasta dish so we can begin eating. So dinner is now done, so I'm going to go ahead and store the leftovers in my Pyrex glass containers and just put it back in the fridge.
Smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal.
So at the end of the night, I always try to make it a habit to empty out the garbage cans. I just feel like this helps with keeping your home smelling nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the trash and continue cleaning by sweeping the floor and just tying up loose ends, so that way I wake up to a clean kitchen in the morning.
Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that.
I like to top off a clean kitchen at night by lighting a candle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.